Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to make a gable roof. First let's have a quick look at what a gable roof is. This is a gable roof here. Probably the most common type of roof, really. We're going to do ones with an overhang, so that obviously to protect against the elements. They often have an overhang there. We'll start off with the main bottom of the building, as the overhang's quite important. So first of all, let's just grab a block and make a rough shape for the bottom of the house. We're then going to use just the basic roof shape here, which is actually gable roof. And we're going to put that on top. I've changed the work plane so it's on the roof, on the top of the building. Wrong one. What am I doing? To use the other rotate within there to get to 90. Make it the same footprint as this, which was 30 and 61. Not sure why it's 30 and 61. That's fine. And then I'm going to align that. Shift, hold down Shift so both are selected. Don't want the base to move, so I click the base. Do that. And that's my base bit of the house. This is the same process as I did on the bridge house tutorial the other day. Okay, it doesn't have to be quite this long really, does it? Let's make it a bit shorter. I've selected both. 50. Alright, okay, now for the roof part. So I'm going to take a copy of this, Control D for duplicate. And I've used the 5mm snap grid so it's easier to put back in the correct place. Going to make it a hole. I'm going to make a copy of that, Control D in the same place. And I'm going to hold down Alt Shift to grow from the inside. Alt Shift to or enlarge from the center to the thickness that you want it. Maybe one more thick. Oh, because I've got the snap grid set to 5, that's why it was going up too fast. Maybe one more thickness. It's probably a bit too much. Okay, and then you need to adjust the ends in because of the way it enlarges it. Goes wider at the end. We could actually align that in with the center of the hole there, so we could go select that and select all of it. Align. Click on the thing we don't want to move, which is the middle. In fact, it's already aligned. So then we need to just make the outside solid. Might choose a different color. Group those two together. Oh, forgot something. We actually need to make this hole wider, don't we? So let's widen it to the very end. That would be how you would hollow out. You know, if the hole didn't go to the end, you'd hollow out the roof. But actually, we want it to go all the way through, don't we? So yeah, it needs to go to the very end. Then we group it together. We've got to group our roof. And remember, I changed the snap grid back to 5, and then we can simply place it on top again, just like that. And that's how you make a gable roof in Tinkercad.